Thought about you way too much. Over overthinking us. Cause you've been so out of touch. You could've had my love, but you've been so out of touch.
Monday, I was dreaming about ya. Tuesday, I was waiting near the phone. 2 days, wasn't hearing from ya. Yeah, what can I say? Oh baby, I was getting bored. Thursday